This is the 1998 Lotus Esprit V8, one of fewer than 600 produced for the US market in the final years of the model's run. It's finished in factory black over tan leather with the iconic OZ racing wheels and that unmistakable wedge profile that made the Esprit a legend. With under 43,000 original miles and full service documentation dating back over 2 decades, this car's story is as complete as its maintenance history. But what really sets this one apart is the work done under current ownership. A full engine-out rebuild using forged CP Carrillo pistons, a pin cam pulley setup, upgraded timing components, and all new gaskets, belts, and bearings. It's the bulletproof version Lotus never built, resolving every common issue these twin-turbo V8s are known for. It's clean, it's sorted, and it's ready to drive with the sound and feel only a hand-built British exotic can deliver. Bid today. Holy cow, driving the Lotus Esprit V8. Honestly, I never thought I'd be able to do this. What a blast. The clutch feels pretty good. It's a little stiff, but really, really nice shifting transmission. I know the engine transmission was out. There's a lot of upgrades in that engine, a lot of bulletproofing that was done to this. So, you know, even though she's got some wear and tear, some visual spots on the outside, mechanically she's probably more solid than it was when it came from the factory. Whoa! I cannot believe I'm driving this car. Wow, you can hear that engine right behind you, that throaty V8. This car sounds a lot better than I expected. Yeah, I mean, the clutch and transmission are great. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you do, it's smooth, piece of cake. Once again, it's another burner day in Florida, probably 94 degrees, and the air conditioning that was just serviced, beautiful. Oh yeah. Once you find that sweet spot on the clutch, oh, she's got power. She sounds so good. This engine doesn't even have the break-in miles after the rebuild, so I can't really push it or anything, but you can tell this is gonna be a quick car. Like I said, it's basically a go-kart. The frame is attached to the body, is attached to the motor, so you feel everything. Every bit of the road, every bit of the motor. God, that sounds so good outside. The exhaust is nice. I don't know if this is an aftermarket exhaust, but it sounds really good. What an honor to be able to drive a car like this. Thanks so much to the owner. If you've made it this far in the video, you need to go bid on this car.